Okay, so it's not a comp. It's not a competition.
It's not a comp.
But it has the... Oh, this spoiler looks cool. It's already lower, JR. Side skirt, too. Oh, this color is fire, bro.
This color is sick.
Look at the front lip.
This color is beautiful.
Holy shit. The carbon mirrors. I don't... Good morning. This?
He's inside. I can do this, guys.
Holy crap, this is nice.
It is beautiful. You're gonna love it.
Because it's like I told my wife, but I think I'm set on the blue because my Hellcat was blue. I told her it's either gonna be blue or Dunnington gray. So those are my two favorite colors. I have a Dunnington gray one that the guy is giving me for like 63, I think. But I like the blue more. I like the blue. Alright, I'm gonna start it up. Okay. And it's completely stock, he said. Like completely stock. So that's amazing. You got black interior. I really wanted the Bowsen Wilkins, but I think we might be able to do with the Harman Kardon just because of the way this car looks. How does it sound, JR?
It's a beautiful car, man.
Under here is so clean, right? So clean under here, bro. Stock intake. That's what it normally sounds, right? I know you did not that. Because I've been there, done that. And the downpipes are around here. But yeah, they do look stock though. I mean, ain't no way BMW still want modify car and license stock, right?
Right.
They coming from the dealership. They already got the front lip. But it looks so mean. And it already has the tail lights like what I was planning on doing. This car already had the front lip, the side skirt. It doesn't have a full rear diffuser, so I might be able to get that.
Yeah.
Maybe it's this in carbon, just to match that. But yeah, then the intakes. The thing is, if I go blue, I can get the blue project on my intakes. So you can have the blue intake sticking right here. As I'm getting front mount intakes.
Oh, all the way in? Okay.
Yes, you start from there. We go through this brace right here and come right here. See the. I told you, it's Type 4, bro. I need that sound. Which, by the way, I'm dropping the Type R video after this, so stay tuned. I'm not gonna drop back. I've been waiting on you, bro. All right. So you're gonna see what we mean by the Type R making that whoosh whoosh sound.
Oh, there you go.
But hey, we're gonna see what he says, and we're gonna see if we can go for a test drive too, guys. Give me a second. Okay, the brakes are touchy. Okay. Oh, that's in the same color. Oh. That's sick.
I love this color.
I love it too. I ain't gonna lie. I think I prefer it over the Dunnington gray. Oh, the seatbelt just tightened.
Just tightened, yeah. I love this color, man. That blue I think is ugly as hell.
This one?
That one, the
M8?
I do not like that freaking blue.
It doesn't look as good as this.
For an M car? I see what you mean. For this one, this one looks elegant and exactly at the same time. Mm-hmm. Wow.
It's so quiet.
It's quiet. It's really quiet.
We're doing 90. Like what? That's crazy. How far we get to go down?
You don't want to take this exit. Take the next one.
Okay.
It's really quiet.
Yeah. The downpipes don't change that. And actually launch, because you know BMW's got to drive it a little bit before you can launch it.
Yeah.
And then if you launch it 2 times, you have to drive it again before you can launch it a third. That's the full launch, bro. We're going straight?
Yes.
That's the full launch, bro. That's the full. Okay, I'm set. There's no need to go look at the gray one anymore. The blue is better. There's no need to get the speakers because this speaker is good. This car is already looks the word. Already got the carbon fiber that I was gonna get.
Yeah.
Bro, this is stock.
I'm sorry. Pass this light.
Yeah.
Next one, make it. Good life over.
And you know the thing, it spun on the launch a little bit. So imagine if it had fully grip. Listen to the pops.
This M4 exhaust is really, like, this M performance exhaust is really nice.
And it's not loud at all, right? The AC is crazy cool. Oh, massage seats? Yes, massage seats, bro. I had to make sure. I forgot. I told myself my next car have to have massage seats. My back, you're killing me, bro. Let's play the music and let's see. Let's play some gospel. Some gospel, cause we need Jesus in order to have these things. Let's play some gospel, folks.
A little bit.
Yeah, upshifted early because of that. That's the full launch, bro. We're going straight? Yes. That's crazy. It's fun. Without launching.
Kind of feels like Forza. It has a little
back
Forza.
massage, bro. It feels so nice. I just go over for now and chill.
It kind of has a little Forza feeling to it.
Yeah.
It did the same thing in Forza too.
Oh, yeah?
Sometimes it grips, sometimes it spins.
Yeah, because it's in 4-wheel drive sport.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's fast. It's fast. I feel like he's gonna have to get used to it though, because he's much more used to untamed power. Yeah, and this is very tame. Compared to the Hellcat, this is very tame. Because the Hellcat, it would have blew through first, second, third, fourth. Just kept spinning.
Right? I really, really, really like it. Like, no bullshit, no joke. This blue color is sick. It's massaging my butt. That's crazy. 360 words? Oh shit. I messed that up. Good. Okay. Okay. I'm set. Let's